Look out, here she comes. Woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy.
This is my view this morning.
I'm a ghost
It's really nice.
in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her.
Good morning, guys. We are going up island to a winery today. I'm just gonna go pick the people up downtown. So I have a Japanese group on my bus right now, and we just arrived at our first stop. It's a beautiful viewpoint here in Victoria. But basically, I'm given an itinerary. There's a guide on the bus, and I'm given an itinerary to where we're supposed to go. So let's have an awesome day and enjoy this beautiful weather. So our next stop is going to be in Tremaines, which is about 40 minutes from now. So basically there's like two things we do with this company. Number one is charter work, so people charter the buses out. Number two, we have our, I don't even know what you would call it, like our tour work, where we narrate the tour, and we kind of have two main tours that we do at the company. We go to Butchart Gardens and we do our city tour, and I talk the whole time. Charter work, the work that I'm doing right now can vary from anything like what I'm doing right now, the Japanese group with a guide on board. It can be hockey teams, it can be weddings, anything where a large amount of people need transportation, we also offer that. So I might have to add this place to my list of places to stop this coming up winter when I'm traveling. Looks like a really neat place to check out. Have I told you guys that I love my job and I love this island? It's just beautiful here. So our next stop is back a little ways south in Duncan, and we're going to a farmer's market. So I just dropped my people off right over there. There's a big parking lot so I can fit the bus in there. And they're at the farmer's market, which is about 2 blocks that way. And so I have an hour to kill, and I saw train tracks, which are right there. And look at what's ahead of me. I can just see my group walking down the road right now. Our next stop is... Ferrydale Farms, since 1990. is so beautiful here. And my question to you guys is, why are these cider farms that I'm going to and these wineries so beautiful? Like, I know that wine is a business and cider is a business as well, but they're just drop dead gorgeous, and the land that they're on is always just immaculate and perfect. And I just was wondering why that is. Or I'm just going to the nicest wineries and cideries that we have, which could also be the case. Maybe I just answered my own question. Also, see this cool truck? So next stop, back to town, and I'm gonna drop these people off. Look guys, not only did I have an awesome day with my group, but they got me snacks. There's my little gift basket when they got off. I can't read any of that. It looks like little, I don't know what you call these. They're like soft, sweet little crackers. And then this little bag of goodies. Ooh, milk chocolate. These look like Japanese peanuts. And a cookie of some sort. And some candies. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate it. So guys, it's my nap time. I'm gonna have a little nap, and then I got a second piece of work later on tonight off the cruise ship. Hope that you guys keep living that dream. This is the end of the vlog. Until next time, my friends, take care of yourselves. Subscribe if you want to. And bye-bye. I could eat like 100 of these right now.